How to get free stuff on Temu. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any web browser on your device. Now, you have to simply copy the link given on the screen. And once you have copied it, you need to open the same browser and on the search bar, paste it and search for this link. Now, you will get access to this kind of interface where you can easily claim your free items. On this section, as you can see, I have searched for 50 pieces disposable sour train hair catcher, which cost $29.99. But luckily, I have got these items for $0.00, that means for free. So in order to claim this kind of free items on Temu, simply you can scan this QR code to get in Temu app, or you can get it on Google Play Store or download on the Apple Play Store. Once you are done with the step, you simply will see that your free items will be displayed on your checkout area. If it does not, code will be displayed on the screen that you can enter in the search bar or checkout area and get the discounts or claim your items for free. In this way, we can easily get free stocks on Temu. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.